Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do service mode on this Candy smartpro washer dryer. So there's two ways of doing this and it runs two different service modes. So first of all, I'm going to show you the Wi-Fi service mode. So you turn it onto the Wi-Fi setting. Make sure the drum is empty and the door is closed. It will lock the door and connect to the app. So in the app you will want to click on your washing machine when it loads, and you will want to go to the statistics menu and you'll want to do start full checkup now, which is this bottom button there, and it will say checkup short diagnostic cycle, start with empty drum, and you can press start now. And it will start by doing the pre-wash fill. Meanwhile, the display will have all its LEDs lit up and a code will flash across the display. Now it will turn the heater on and it will fill through the main wash with clockwise rotation. Now it will fill through softener with anti-clockwise rotation. Now it will drain. And it will do the spin test. But it doesn't, which I totally forgot about. So when you run the service mode through the app, it doesn't spin. Now it's doing the dry box test. And that's the end of the service mode, and it will start flashing all its LEDs to tell you it's finished. And the app will come up with a performance report, so it will tell you what it's done, except it's lying about the spin because it hasn't done that, and then it will tell you it's 100% healthy in my case, because it is. So that's the app service mode. Now I'm going to show you the normal service mode. So you turn it to cotton or position 2 on the dial, and when it loads you press every button from left to right and it will enter, well, it will display all the LEDs at first, and then you can press start and it will start the service mode. Once again, all LEDs lit, displaying the same code across the display. Starts with pre-wash fill. Now I'll turn the heater on and it will do main wash fill and clockwise rotation. And softener fill and anti-clockwise rotation. Now turn the pump on. and this is where it does the spin test, not in the app version. To 700 RPM. 650 actually, I think. And then it does the dry test. And then that's the end of the service mode again. Well, I hope this video helped you. To get out of the service mode, you just turn it off, then you can turn it back on, and it will be ready to use as normal. This does not reset the app settings, but this doesn't apply here. But on NFC models, it will reset what cycle you have on saved on the NFC. So that is the end of this video. I hope it helped you. If you have any questions, please ask. Service mode is not meant for messing around with. It is meant for diagnosing faults and finding where on the cycle the faults occur. I'm not liable for any damage caused by the misuse of service mode. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.